At the end of this tutorial, you will learn how to create a class in Google Classroom using your iPad. Hi. Hi, I'm Lowell. I am a teacher looking for a free web-based and user-friendly platform to host your online class is very essential. Thankfully, Google has provided us with this platform. So in this short tutorial, I will demonstrate how to create a class in Google Classroom using your iPad. So keep watching. First, make sure you downloaded the Google Classroom app. If not, go to the App Store and search for Google Classroom, and then download it. Once downloaded, open the app. In the classes window, click the plus sign at the lower right bottom and hit create class. Then fill up the needed information. The class name is required, while section, room, subject are optional. For this demo, I will name my class test class, let's say 2. Okay, and leave blank the rest. Then you click create. This will bring you to the stream window. Now you can invite your students to join your class by sharing the class code. So to locate the class code, click the gear icon at the upper right of the screen. In the general section, you can find the class code. Copy this and share it with your students. To go back to your dashboard, click the 3 lines menu at the upper left of your screen and hit classes. This will then let you return to the dashboard and see all the classes you have created. That's it. You are now ready to create your class in Google Classroom using your iPad. In my next video, I will show you how to organize your topic in your class and create an assignment under that topic using your computer and iPad. If you find this short tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment below. To keep you updated on the upcoming videos, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching.